Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another Boxycharm unboxing and try on. And November 2018's theme is Gold Digger. Each month they'll send you a little pamphlet that looks like this. And this tells you each item and how much it's worth. If you're not familiar with Boxycharm, it's a monthly subscription makeup box. It retails for only $21 a month. It always has 4 to 5 full-sized high-end items, and it's always over $100 in value. So the first product I'm going to show you guys is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. And this is in the color Nova, and I hope it's picking up all the gold flecks that are in this. It's so pretty. I'm so excited to get this. I have never tried these before, so I'm super excited. And this retails for $44. The next item I'm going to show you guys is the Ace Butte Grandiose palette. And I already did some swatches because I absolutely love this palette. I think it's beautiful for fall. And this palette retails for $24.99. Next product or products are the Luxie Luminous Eye Set, which are beautiful in gold, and I already used them to swatch a little bit, and they are absolutely beautiful. This month we have a gold theme going on, and these retail for $21, so this is basically what you paid for, and then everything else was basically free, because this is how much the box is. Dante Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. And I hope it's showing up. A little design in the gold of it. It's really cute. This retails for $5. And last product that I received is the Lashaholic Lashes. And unfortunately I cannot try these on because I do not have lash glue. But these are what they look like, and these retail for $14.99. I already did my face. I set my face, contoured, highlight, blush, eyebrows, everything. Primed my lids. I'm just using this for the makeup mirror because I think the mirror on this is the best part of the whole palette. Go right in with the patchouli color. And I'm going to set that all over my lid. I'm going to go in with the Luxie Mini Flat Angle Brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Jasmine, which is this pretty highlighter color, and I'm just going to pop that on my brow bone. Okay. So next I'm going to take the Luxie Mini Tapered Brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Clove. I'm just going to put it a little bit higher than my natural crease because, like I've said in the other makeup videos, I have very hooded eyelids and you can see where my eye sits, see? I just want the color to be seen. Next I'm going to go in with the color Cinnamon. And I'm going to place that in the outer V. Tap that in. on the other side. But that's good. I'm just gonna go in with the littlest mini round brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Poppy, which is this pretty burgundy magenta-ish color. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Just gonna place that on top of the cinnamon color, but I'm gonna go more into the eyelid. Now just going in with my NYX glitter glue, I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to go in with the Prime Rose, which is that really pretty gold color. And I'm using my finger as I usually do. Now I'm going to go in with the color Myrtle, which is the copper glittery color. And I'm going to put that closer to where I want it darker. Go in with the mini angled brush. I'm going to go back in with the cinnamon color, mixing in with Poppy. I go in with the same color Jasmine. I'm just going to do that for a little bit of more highlight. Go in with the Johnson Blue eyeliner. I'm going to go in with Poppy and Cinnamon again underneath my eye. Just gonna pop some mascara on real quick. Before I go in with the Cover FX drops, I'm just gonna set my face with the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray, which is my all-time favorite at the moment. And you can get this at Walmart, CVS, Target, I think, Ulta. Now, I'm not sure what the best way to apply these are. I've seen people just kind of drop it on, which I think that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, seems like a lot. Okay. Just lightly. Let's try this out. I never got to try these out before. Ooh! Maybe if I press them. It's showing up, I hope. Really pretty. This one piece of hair is aggravating me so bad. Just dab it on my nose. I always put a little bit of highlight there. A little bit on my lip. Alright, then I gotta fix my lipstick real quick. Blend it out with fan brush too. And like I said, I am not going to be trying on the eyelashes just because I don't have eyelash glue, unfortunately. But here's another close-up of what they look like. Okay guys, this is the final look. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And if you aren't already, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I mean, subscribe to this channel if you're not already. But please leave some feedback, and I will see you guys again next month, where I'll be getting my December's Boxy Luck. I'm getting Boxy Lucks next month, so I'm super excited to do an unboxing of that as well. Bye guys, thank you guys so much for watching.